Hey guys, welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, getting ourselves back into the Bitcoin 2-minute technicals video. And as you can see, yesterday when we had talked about hitting the upper hand of the channel here, we kind of wicked within about, let's see how much percentage, around 0.15% from the top of the channel. And since then, had reversed, could not solidify a nice base here above $27,100, and we've got our straight fall through the 50-day and 20-day moving averages. As you can see, came back here on support of the 702 around 26,819, kind of wedged between that and the 786, and now has since lost that, trying to come back down to the 0.5. So if we're really going to zoom out on here and look at this chart, we see our initial fall down, our push up to 1618, our hold on the 0.5, our retest, and two failures nonetheless. So what we could do too, to be a little more conservative and to be a little more, I guess you would say, accurate to this wedge here, we could grab the two bottoms right here. You can go above the bottom right here, and you can go by the candle buy as currently there, because that one is going to close in an hour and a half, but we'll say it's just right about there. But you can see that it's basically, there's something happening this week. We were talking about that earlier on, as you guys know. You could actually make it a little bit steeper. I would do it right about here, so you can see it's Friday. We were talking about Wednesday to Friday, which we'll keep that on the wraps. We'll do it like this. We can hold it like this. Still Wednesday through Friday. There's going to be something happening. There's always that stipulation of a day or two early or a day or two later, but you can see that it's coming into this formation, and this is what happens. You get your higher lows and your lower highs condensing into an apex. We thought it was gonna. We knew it was gonna come back for a retracement today, but I didn't think it was actually gonna break through the bottom side of this this little triangle here. But as you can see, this is what we were expecting, something more like this, but we actually broke through, hit the bottom side of that. So we're still on target and on par for, once you retest through here, usually you are bearish and you are looking for a push to the downside to do a final wave of sorts. And we were looking for around that $25,000 region. So that is going to be my stipulation. If we come here to the 1 hour, we can kind of give ourselves an idea of what's going to wind up happening over the next course of the day or so. You can see like this. This is our high right here. I would say right there. Looks like we would need to get ourselves realistically back above $27,000 in order to get ourselves even a relief up here to around 27,168. But otherwise, if we do a reverse pattern, like right here, an inverse, you can see from the low to high right here. So do this low to this high. You can see that this is coming back to support here on the 1618. Realistically, the next target that it does have on an inverse is looking there around 26,502, coming down to 26,012 for a full extension downwards. But I would be expecting that 2618 first, and then possibly a retest here at 26,804, and then to push back, working itself in waves such as this. As you guys know, that's usually how it goes. Remember, Mondays are never usually that great, so we're definitely going to see if that still rings true. Hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Appreciate every single one of you. Remember, none of it's financial advice. Appreciate all of your time, and I'll see you in the next one.